Hello everyone, welcome to Time with Lydia the Pharmacist. Today is the second episode of our series on health, wellness and beauty tips for Christmas, and we are going to be looking at how to get your nails to look stronger, healthier and longer. Healthy fingernails are smooth, without pits or grooves. They are uniform in color and consistency, and they are free of spots or discoloration. So a typical healthy nail would look like this. It would be healthy, it would be smooth, it would be clean, it would have no pits or grooves, it would have no discoloration. An example of an unhealthy nail would be like this. It would have white lines on the nail, and this will require that you visit your doctor or dermatologist. Sometimes you would see red lines on the nails as well, and this also requires a thorough check by a dermatologist or your doctor. Sometimes also you would see pits on the nails, and this is a condition that has to be checked by your doctor. So if your nails look like this, please make sure you make an appointment with your doctor. So tips that would make your nails look stronger, healthier and longer include: number 1, keep your fingernails dry and clean. This prevents bacteria from growing under your fingernails. Repeated or prolonged contact with water can contribute to split fingernails. Try to wear cotton-lined gloves when you're washing dishes, when you're cleaning, or when you're using harsh chemicals, as the cotton rubber gloves would protect your nails from becoming softer and brittle. And this is a practice that you would have to adopt, as it would help prevent your nails from breaking. Tip number 2, practice good nail hygiene. Use a sharp manicure scissors or clippers. Trim your nails straight across, then round the tips in a gentle curve. This will prevent your nails from breaking. And these are examples of manicure scissors and clippers that you can buy from your local supermarket or from your pharmacy. So visit your pharmacy to get yourself one, or visit your supermarket. Tip number 3, use a moisturizer. When you use hand lotion, rub the lotion into your fingernails and cuticles as well. Coconut oil and olive oil are great natural moisturizers for nails, and these are everyday oils that you have at home. Tip number 4, eat foods rich in biotin. Some research suggests that the nutritional supplement biotin might help strengthen weak or brittle fingernails. Biotin speeds up cell growth and helps in hair and nail growth. Biotin deficiency is rare, as our body requires this nutrient in a very small amount. It is also present in a lot of food items, so it is not hard to meet the daily requirements of the body. Biotin exists in lots of food that we eat on a daily basis. Our body needs only about 30 micrograms of biotin per day. If the requirement of the body is not met, then you experience some side effects, including hair loss, brittle nails, red rashes on the skin and eyes, scaly skin, fatigue, insomnia, and loss of appetite. Biotin can be found in egg yolk, almonds, peanuts, soybeans, sweet potatoes, mushrooms, banana, broccoli, and spinach. These are just a few of the food items that you can get biotin from. Tip number 5, do not bite your fingernails or pick at your cuticles. These habits can damage the nail bed. Even a small cut alongside your fingernails can allow bacteria or fungi to enter and cause an infection. Tip number 6, avoid glue on artificial nails. and toxic polishes, as these can weaken your real nails and make them more prone to breaking. Limit your use of nail polish remover, and even when using one, opt in for an acetone-free formula, as this is gentle on your nails. Avoid gel nail polishes because they are hard to remove. They usually require harsh techniques that can destroy the nail plate. Techniques such as soaking, buffing, scraping, and peeling off the polish. Tip number 7, do not ignore problems. If you have a nail problem that doesn't seem to go away on its own or is associated with other signs and symptoms, then consult your doctor or dermatologist for a check. Consult your doctor also if you realize there's changes in your nail color, such as discoloration of the entire nail or a dark streak under the nail. Also, when there's changes in the nail shape, such as a curled nail. Also, visit your doctor if there's any thinning or thickening of the nails, if there's separation of the nail from the surrounding skin, when there's bleeding around the nails, when there's swelling or pain around the nails, and when the nails fail to grow. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you have learned something new. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, share with your family and friends, and if you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, please hit on the subscribe button and also on the notification bell so you don't miss any video that I upload. Thank you for your time. Bye for now.